The right track with Proventia emission control. Product development of exhaust aftertreatment systems. At Proventia, it's all about the customer. Proactive customer service and holistic understanding of customer needs are in our DNA. We solve the problem, and if you ask for 2 designs, we give you more. In our technology center, everything happens under one roof and fast. We design, simulate, test and prototype exhaust aftertreatment systems. In non-road machines, there is no one-size-fits-all type of emission system. The process begins with a project kick-off meeting bringing together our sales and engineering. Agility in engineering, that's what we are known for. We have created a range of exhaust aftertreatment platforms and modules. This makes our engineering process fast. Simulation is a key part of our product development, both emission performance and mechanical durability. Our own innovations, such as AdBlue mixers, improve overall EAT system performance. When engineering teams have confirmed the EAT layout, there are only a few steps to our prototyping team. Our designers work hand in hand with the prototyping team. Any modifications are carried out quickly. Testing verifies that our systems operate as we have promised. In our own test center, we have 4 transient cells with test benches up to 470 kilowatts with top-notch analyzing equipment. Smooth communication between design, prototype, testing and validation teams ensures a cost-effective and fast product development loop. It's quality all the way. Engineers refine the new product until the best solution is created. Finished parts and tooling are verified with 3D measurements. In just a few weeks from initial requirements, we are ready to send the first prototype. Once everything is approved, our own highest OE standard mass production factory in the Czech Republic manufactures and delivers the system to our customers. And that's how exhaust aftertreatment systems are done at Proventia. Challenge us.